A heartbreaking incident took place on Wednesday afternoon in Rajasthan's Shuru district. A Jaguar trainer aircraft of the Indian Air Force crashed during a routine training mission, killing both pilots on board. The aircraft went down around 1:25 p.m. in an open agricultural field near Bhanoda village. The IAF confirmed that no damage to civilian property has been reported. In an official statement, the Indian Air Force said the aircraft was on a regular training sortie when it met with an accident. Sadly, both pilots sustained fatal injuries. The Air Force expressed deep sorrow over the loss and said it stands with the families of the brave pilots in this time of grief. A court of inquiry has been ordered to find out the exact reason behind the crash. This isn't the first such incident. Just 3 months ago in April, a Jaguar aircraft had crashed shortly after takeoff from Jamnagar during a night training mission. One pilot lost his life in that case too. And earlier in March this year, another fighter jet of the IAF crashed in Panchkula, Haryana during training. That time, the pilot managed to eject safely after steering the aircraft away from populated areas. Back in February, a Mirage 2000 aircraft had crashed near Shivpuri in Madhya Pradesh during a training mission. Fortunately, both pilots ejected in time. And in November last year, a MiG-29 went down near Agra, again during a training sortie, but the pilot survived. While the Indian Air Force continues to ensure top-level training and aircraft maintenance, these repeated incidents raise serious concerns. Most of these crashes are happening during routine training missions, and technical faults are often found to be the reason. The loss of two brave IAF officers in the Churu crash is a reminder of the risk our armed forces take every single day, even during training. The entire nation mourns this loss.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.